Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ashvin Gopinathan, and today I'll be talking about high cholesterol and photobiomodulation. As we know, cholesterol is something that is in our bloodstream, and it can be good, it can be bad. The good cholesterol is referred to as HDL, or high-density lipoproteins, and the bad cholesterol is referred to as LDL, or low-density lipoproteins, and triglycerides. So photobiomodulation has been proven to reduce LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, reduce atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of the arteries, and increase HDL, which is the good cholesterol. HDL can also be increased when we sleep well, we have a good mood generally, we exercise, we eat quite healthily, and we have good genetics. Atherosclerosis is the plaque or the hardening, that waxy substance that is formed along the walls of the blood vessel, and that can increase the bad cholesterol. So photobiomodulation can help to reduce the total cholesterol. It can also help to reduce LDL, increase HDL, reduce atherosclerosis, reduce plaque formation in the arteries, and has a protective effect on atherosclerosis. Thank you.